Here, put it in your basket. Thank you. Thank you. What else did you find? Here, and here. Good job, baby. Oh. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Come on. Nope, let's go find more. Come on, let's go find more.
This week, Delaney discovered that God created the land.
Put it in your basket. Good job. Thank you. Otro? Thank you. Yeah. Look. Put it in your basket.
In Genesis 1:9-10, God gathered the waters and let dry ground appear, and he called it good.
Here, in your basket. For a walk. Good job. Go, go, go. There you go, go. Go, go, go.
We got to see that goodness up close. In our backyard, we picked leaves and grass, filling our little basket with pieces of his creation. Tiny, simple things, but full of beauty when you slow down and notice.
Come on. Come on, girl, go, go, go.
Later in the week, we visited the children's Explorium, exploring and playing with all the science exhibits. It was so much fun learning how things work, but the greatest wonder wasn't inside.
Go, Mama, go. Look. Does Mama's finger? Let's see Delaney's finger. Let's see Delaney's finger. What? What? Delaney's finger. What? Again? Yay! Put it. Look, you gotta put it. What? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
It was outside in the garden.
Say hi, butterfly. What is that? What's that? ¡Qué rico!
The flowers blooming, the butterflies dancing from petal
Come
to
on, you
petal.
little monkey.
A quiet reminder that God didn't just create land, He filled it with life, color, and beauty for us to enjoy. And maybe that's the lesson for us this week. To slow down, step outside, and see His goodness in the smallest things.